Conjugation of the verb to stand in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I stand. 2. Simple past, I stood. 3. Simple future, I will stand. 4. Present continuous, I am standing. 5. Past continuous, I was standing. 6. Future continuous, I will be standing. 7. Present perfect, I have stood. 8. Past perfect, I had stood. 9. Future perfect, I will have stood. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been standing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been standing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been standing. Conjugation of the verb to stand. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it stands. 2. Simple past. He, she or it stood. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will stand. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is standing. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was standing. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be standing. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has stood. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had stood. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have stood. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been standing. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been standing. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been standing. Conjugation of the verb to stand. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they stand. 2. Simple past. You, we or they stood. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will stand. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are standing. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were standing. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be standing. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have stood. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had stood. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have stood. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been standing. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been standing. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been standing. Verb to stand. Verb forms. Present simple I, you, we or they stand. He, she or it stands. Past simple stood. Past participle stood. Ing form standing.